My hair, oh, my hair. See me.
Yeah, something is wrong. Sorry. My Wi-Fi is not working.
I'm not even connected. I'm just trying to video myself. See, I really love this hair. Let me do it selfie. I really love this hair, but I have to undo it because it's making me look like a mad woman. See, all of this place. I'm so tired. I just got back from work. It's Sunday and the weather is not too good. Yeah. So I'm coming to undo it. Undo my braids while we yap. We'll talk. See. See the way it is.
But this.
So I'm coming to undo it. I really love the hair. It's very light.
And besides, the way it is, the rough. The only thing, if it was black, it would have been nice.
With my,
even as it's rough.
Yeah. So I'm coming to undo it, okay? You don't want to show. You come in my YouTube. Come. I'm doing it. I'll post it. I'm not going to use it again. I'm not going to use the hair again. It's just so nice. I've been washing it. I've been bathing with it. You know. Adi, this hair, it will take like. You have to say now you've cut my hair.
No,
my hair
it's not. It's not.
My hair is long.
I am over your head.
How do you know my hair is there?
Because I know.
My hair has become long, eh?
I know, but the color will show me.
Where is it? No, the way she did it. Do you know how she did it? She twisted my hair separately before putting it.
The color will show me.
Let me see.
Darling. The color will show me.
Thank you, Bianca. Where is the girl going?
The girl is here.
This short one too is not bad though. Or maybe I should leave it like this.
I swear, this short one also is not bad.
Let me take YouTube thumbnail with this.
Ask them because they are.
That's Selena.
With no makeup.
I beg it. Me and my own makeup. I'm not wearing makeup.
Yeah, because
we are almost done. I can't wait. Hey, my hair has grown no. You know the whole hair was dyed. So all this black is new growth.
It's new.
Yeah. It's new growth. So, I'm using a certain oil. That oil, I think the oil is very good. It's very good. I have to use it continually. When you get finished, I have to fly to Ghana and go and get it.
I hope you will do that overnight.
Hey, I'm not a witch.
Overnight, I come back in the morning. But definitely, if you check on
Temu, Shine, TikTok, eBay,
you get it. There is nothing in Africa that will not get there.
See, my hair has grown, pal, because the last time I dyed it, all this black is new growth.
Oh God.
Fine woman. Bianca,
I beg of you.
bring big toothpick.
I beg, no.
Ice delay. When the weather is like this, the ice delay car. I'm feeling myself. Of my head and my hair. So I'm just how is it called? Finger what? I'm using my fingers to separate my hair strands, and then I don't know, I'm lost for words. Guys, you see how dirty? Can you see how dirty my hair is? But I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm coming to undo this ones that I did. Then I will. I will comb it. This guy's worrying. Oh, this is my unwashed hair, and I'll definitely wash it when I get home. But yeah, it's combed, and right now I'm rushing to catch the bus. So it's summer, but the weather is terribly bad. I just went to get some from Rossman because it's hair care week or hair care day. Good morning. It's Thursday, and yeah, I have to continue with my hair vlog with my hair care because it's hair care week period. Yeah, how are you doing? Hope you're having a lovely week. And yeah, so this is how I went to bed, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how I am looking now. Okay, let me get my tripod, and then I set it up and show you how I am looking now. I'm hoping you can't see me. I am hoping you can't see me. So this is how I woke up. Shrinkage is real. Anyway, this is neatly shampooed and conditioned. I used a product I bought from, I think, DM. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pin the video in this particular video, so you see that was my last video. I decided to use a 3-in-1 conditioner, 3-in-1 product. Anyway, I'm gonna pin it. I decided to use it this time as a conditioner, and I really loved it. So today we're gonna continue with protein treatment, so come along with me. You need, I'm going to use very ripe pear. I'm going to use 3 pieces. This pear is very nice, so to go with some bread pie. When I was in Ghana, I normally use banana with coconut oil, and sometimes I also use pear. But today pear is in season now, right? So I'm gonna add some coconut oil to it. Then I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Maybe I should make it 3. I don't know. Yeah. I think I should add more coconut oil. You are going to blend it just like you would do your smoothies to make sure you have a very smooth paste. Okay, we don't want any lumps here, and you don't need any water in this mixture or for this mixture. So this is the consistency we are going for. You want it very smooth, you see. Without any water. So you need to use very ripe pear and soft. Okay. And then I got this argan oil from Rossmann. I'm going to add some to this. This is the first time I'm using this in my protein treatment, because normally I just use coconut oil, but argan oil is also good, so I'm gonna add a little bit. And then I also go by the rule that if you cannot not eat it, don't add it to your hair recipe or your hair. Don't add it to your hair, because whatever goes inside the hair is also good for the body, or whatever goes inside the body is also good for the hair. Yeah. So I'm gonna mix this. Wow, it smells really good. Very, very good. It's going to leave my natural hair feeling very nourished and healthy. Okay, this is the consistency you want. Now I'm going to put on my hand gloves, and then I'm going to apply this to my beautiful hair. Good. So this is the main reason, this is the other reason why I also decided to have my hair in sections. You see, this way is easier for me to twist out and then put the marks, do my protein treatments all over. So I'm gonna start from the back. I don't want this video to be too long, but let me also know in the comment section, what other ways do you also treat or care for your natural hair? Okay, how do you do your protein treatment? And yeah, I'm gonna let it get to the roots and the tips. I wish you could actually smell this thing. It smells so good. So good. I'm feeling good. Okay. I'm going to twist it back. And I'm going to work my way all the way to the top. So maybe when I'm done, I'll come and show you the final thing, okay? So this is how I am looking now. I decided to finish it up in the bathroom because I didn't want to get my bed dirty. But this is how we are looking now. And you know what? Ideally, I need to sit in a hair dryer and then trap some heat, right? But because we do not have one, we are going to improvise and then use a bag, a white polythene bag, Q-tip. And luckily for us, today is very, very, very sunny. The weather looks good. And it's very sunny, so you know what, I'm going to go on an errand and then allow, I can't even see what I'm doing. In case you're wondering how I'm going to step out in this my heat trapping material, watch me. Let me show you, okay? Nobody will know. Anna, you said people know. Hey, let me tie the book well. I always tie my scarf very well off camera. Once I start looking into the camera, I can never get it right. But I'm gonna try. So you guys, you all. Show you guys.